Daiwa fans, Mark Mills here. I am the marketing field manager for Daiwa. Unfortunately this year we don't have an iCast, at least in Florida or that. So what we're ended up doing this year is that we decided to come down to the boat and kind of show you all the new 20 and 21 products for Daiwa. And we're doing this down here in the saltwater area. We're going to show you a new saltwater reel that's really big for our market. This is the new BG-MQ, and BG stands for big game, and MQ is our actually monocoque body. And this is something that we're very innovative with this. You've seen it in Saltigas, you've seen it in Exist. It's actually a kind of a feature that we've created at Daiwa that's been a very, very good feature for more power, more torque, bigger gears. So this is actually the new BG-MQ lineup. This is our biggest reel. This is the 20,000. So we do a 20,000 all the way down to a 2,500. Right now we're just kind of showing you what we have here as samples. But what makes this BG special is that it's got this big one-piece frame with this one-piece round side plate. And as you can see, this side plate here has 365 degrees of stability. And what that does is it does quite a few different things. It allows us more room in order to put a larger gear in there. So we are using our Daiwa Digi gear, but a larger gear. And that larger gives you more power and more torque at the same gear ratio as other reels on the market. So you have that power, you have that torque. But what it also does, it also makes it much more acceptable and reduces the amount of water or contaminants getting into the reel because it doesn't allow water to get in through like a side plate that's got multiple screws. When you have multiple screws, you have tight areas, you have loose areas. This reel has the same pressure all the way around it, which really allows it to be nice. What also it does is it allows this frame to have the 365 degrees of stability so you don't have any flexing or torque within the side plate or the gearbox. And that also creates for more power, more torque, and longer gear life. So this is a 20,000. This is an aluminum reel. It's die-cast aluminum. It's not painted. It is anodized, so it's going to hold up really good in water and corrosion when it comes to that. But even more so, when you get into the water and corrosion features on this reel, this is a cool cutaway that we have actually. What we've done with this reel is we've actually put 9 washers in this reel to really reduce the amount of water and contaminants getting into the drag system. So you're going to see this red washer right here. That's going to keep the water from getting into the drag washer there. You also get to see these washers here. These washers here protect right here. This is one of your most vulnerable positions of the reel. This is the one-way roller bearing, and that actually allows the reel to feel smoothly, doesn't allow it to return backwards. So this is a very important place. So we've got 4 washers that sit right here. We also have the washers that go here within the gearbox, and as you can see, as we were talking about the gears a minute ago, look at how big that gear is. So it's almost the whole size of the reel. So we can use a smaller reel, but it has that capacity of still being allowed to use it for a much larger gear for the power and the torque. We've also added on this side and this side rubber washers that'll protect any water from getting into your gear set as well. So you're going to see something that's very water resistant. This is the new BG-MQ. On this reel, it's very smooth. This one's probably not as smooth as most because it's cut away. But as you can see here, very little resistance. The handle turns very nicely, very smooth. Plenty of drag pressure, plenty of sizes from your inshore guys to your offshore guys. This is the new Daiwa BG Big Game MQ for Daiwa for 20 and 21.
Oh, there's one right there.
first product we're going to talk about is the Battle 3. So everybody's very familiar with the Battle reel itself. It's been on the market for quite some time. It's one of the best-selling spinning reels at its price point, and we're coming out with a third generation this year. So there's a lot of new features. Most importantly on the Battle is going to be the CNC gearing. So a lot of people are familiar with our CNC gears. They're machine cut, super precise, super smooth, and super strong. These are now going to be in the Battle spinning reel, so this will be the CNC gearing at our lowest price point. Also included in the Battle is the standard HT100 drag system and all the features you've come to expect, the aluminum body, the aluminum side plate, to give those gears strength and alignment. A couple new things we have coming in the series. We have a big 10,000 size coming. You can see it right here. That's the biggest Battle reel we've ever designed. And we also have 3 models in the high speed. So you can see here the red trim on the Battle. That denotes the high speed. And we're going to have that in the 4,000, 6,000, and 8,000 size. So super high speed for fishing pop-in corks or just covering a lot of water during the day. And I also want to mention we've got some combos coming out. So in addition to the standalone reels, you'll see the Battle combos being offered in both inshore boat and surf models. And the key feature on these is we're going with the new Penn Dura Guide. So indestructible, stainless steel, and very corrosion resistant.
Nice one. Nice one. Slowly. Slowly. Nice little chublin. That's what we're hunting. That's one we're hunting. Gaining on them. How many are there? Oh, yes. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah. Nice fish.